How to hide story highlights on Instagram from someone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the app on your device. Once you launch Instagram app, make sure that you log into your account. Now tap on profile icon at bottom right corner to access your profile page. Tap three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Once you land on settings and activity page, scroll down. You will find who can see your content section. Tap hide story and live option. Now again choose hide story and live from option. This will hide your story and live videos from specific people. From here you can easily checkmark the particular user from whom you want to hide your Instagram highlights from. Tap the done button at top right corner of the screen. And once you have done that, you can easily go back to save the settings. Now, your highlights of Instagram stories are hidden from that person and they won't see them when visiting your profile. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.